Attorney, scanned copy po, ano ba itong question na to? Attorney, scanned copy po ng deed of sale na may signature ng vendor, pwede po ba ipanotaryo kahit wala na po ang original? Sana masagot. Well, under our notarial rules, no, a notary public is required na bago magnotaryo, dapat may personal appearance ng contracting parties. So kung ako yung notary public, hindi ko notaryuhan yung scanned copy na may signature ng vendor. I will still require the presence of both the vendor and the vendee. So the buyer and seller has to appear before me before I notarize such deed of absolute sale. And bakit nyo papanotaryuhan ang scanned copy lang? Why not magpagawa na lang kayo ng bagong deed of sale at ipapuntahin mo sa notary public yung seller or yung vendor? Kasi depende yan sa notary public, but under our rules, no, notarial rules, dapat bago notaryuhan ng notary public, kailangan umarap sa kanya ang vendor at ang vendee or ang seller at ang buyer. Kasi kailangan niya masigurado at makumpirma na ang pirma na nakalagay doon sa deed of absolute sale is talagang pirma ni seller at hindi siya pinilit, walang coercion, walang deceit, etc. Okay?